Srimati Snehagini Churia, a strong leader from Western Odisha, who has served in our ministry, in the Biju Janata Dal ministry in the past, and has also served in many important portfolios and issues. She has always fought for the poor, the downtrodden, and women in particular, and has been a tremendous asset to the party. Therefore, we have concluded in our party that she will be the candidate from the Biju Janata Dal for the ensuing by-elections in Nuapara. I congratulate her with all my heart for the past many good works that she has done for the people of our state, particularly the poor people and the women, and we will all be there to support her. And of course, I will be visiting Nuapara.